What's up, guys? Good morning. It is 11:43 in the morning, and well, I just wanted to make a quick little video. Nothing too long, but I just wanted to make a little video, basically, just giving you guys a follow-up, and just letting you know how my business is going so far, and you know, just a few other things that I want to just share with you guys. Um, so far my business is going pretty good. I've been getting a few residential jobs. Um, I did land two storefronts. So I have a hair salon and I have a clothing store, which is pretty big. It has a couple of windows. Say about total of 16 plus windows. Um, so I have those two storefronts. I'm still trying to target more storefronts. I live in South Florida, so here in South Florida, there's a lot of competition, a lot of window cleaners, and you know, it's pretty big. You know, it's nothing like the UK, that's for sure. Nothing like the UK. I know in the UK it's pretty tough out there, but so far so good. A couple of things that I guess you know, you basically you face in the field, or you face out there while you're canvassing, a lot of rejection. You get people that say, you know, they already have a window cleaner, or you get people that you know, are just simply not interested, and then you get those that do it themselves with paper towels and Windex. Next to the salon that I do, which was my first salon, I basically charged that one $10 because I really wanted to get the job. I wanted to get experience, but it's a $15 job for sure, inside and out. But I just, you know, charged them 10 bucks. Now anything after that, I charge more. You know, that was just my first store, so I do charge 15, 20, 25, around there. Um, so yeah, basically, you know, I try to target the store next to the salon, which is a Metro PCS store. And you know, the guy said, "Oh no, thank you, I do it myself." And you look at the windows, and you can tell that he does it with a paper towel and Windex. You see all the smudges, you see the paper towel marks on the glass, you know. But hey, you know, whatever they want to do, you know. And but so far, you know, so good. It's been picking up little by little. I have been getting residential jobs, which is good, because that's where the money is in residential work. And that's pretty much it, you know. Anything else that I can share is oh yeah, one more thing. Um, you know, for those that are just starting, I'm very new to this business also, but I've gained just a little bit of experience to help the other people that are just coming up. Another thing that I want to share is price your storefronts correctly. The second store is a clothing store, which I have, and you know, I didn't really think about. I just wanted to get the job. You know, I just wanted to get the job. I tried a new technique from the Window Cleanse channel from Jody. You know, shout out to Jody, awesome guy, amazing work, and he's just so much, so much. He has so much tips and tricks that, you know, you're gonna learn so much. But I tried this technique of just putting the price behind the card and just dropping it in the door when the store is closed. That way you don't have to talk to nobody or anything like that. And I got that job by just doing that. So it works. I thought it was not going to work, but it works. And so I put about, I think it was 45 bucks. I put 45 bucks to do those 16 windows. I said, hey, you know, let me just try and see if I can get this job. And they called me. And so that's my second customer. And I'm doing that. But when I went the first day to do the job, I noticed that they had a lot of mannequins. The day that I was canvassing and I was putting the price in the door, I really didn't, you know, look at the mannequins or anything like that. It was really cold, and I just wanted to put it in the door and just go, you know, and go to the next one. But that was my mistake, you know, so I learned. I should be charging a little bit more because I have to move the mannequins. I have to move things from the display, from the windows. So, you know, I'm only charging 45 bucks, but you live and you learn. So that's a learning experience. So now I know what to charge on the next storefront. So these are things that you're gonna learn as you go. And you know, Marcus from MAW Just Window Cleaning channel. I learned so much from his channel also. And he's such a great person. I can shoot him a text or just write to him on Facebook or YouTube, and he's gonna answer. The amazing guy. I'm the same way. If you guys want have questions, I don't mind giving you my number and or on talking to you or whatever. Just ask for it and we can talk. I'm the type of person that I love to help the next person coming up, and I feel like if you plant seeds, you're gonna reap a harvest. So if you're planting seeds and you're helping someone, God is gonna bless you too. So that's pretty much it. And another thing I wanted to share is I'm gonna be going into the pressure washing side of the business. I'm basically gonna be adding that on as a service. And here in South Florida, it's pretty big also. There's a lot of pressure washing here in South Florida, and people like having their houses really cleaned, and by the beach, and you name it. I mean, South Florida is pretty big for that. So I'm gonna be doing that, and I've been looking at Instagram and reading different forums and reading different things, and I see people talking about oh, you need this and you need that, or I need you need a $15,000 machine, or let's cut that out, guys. Please, let's cut that out. You don't need a $15,000 machine to start pressure washing. There's plenty of people out there. I have some YouTube channels that I'm gonna put in the description so you can check out, who are very inspiring. They started off with a $700 pressure washer from Home Depot. Not that those are bad, but I've learned and I've done research on different types of machines. There's the direct drive machines, then there's the belt drive machines. The one that I'm gonna be getting, it's basically from Home Depot, but it's the $1,300 machine, and it's the belt drive machine, and I'm gonna be getting that one. And you can start with a machine like that. You don't need a $50,000 machine or $20,000 machine. That's an exaggeration. You can start off with a $1,300 machine and build your business little by little. So I'm gonna be adding that service into my business, but I just really wanted to clear that up because I see a lot of just junk on the internet and people exaggerating and saying, oh, you need this or you need that. Same thing for the window cleaning. When I first started window cleaning, I watched a video before I found the video of Keith Kalfas. I saw a video and the guy was talking about, oh, you need a truck, you need about $500 worth of equipment to start off. That's baloney. I only spent, I think, $100. I bought the squeegees, the pole, the bucket, and all those things from Home Depot. And I went out, made some business cards, started knocking on doors, talking to people, and that's how I started getting my residential work when I first started my business. So there's a lot of misinformation out there. Stick to the real channels. MAW Just Window Cleaning, Marcus channel. Amazing guy, amazing channel. Luke the Window Cleaner, another great channel. Luke the Window Cleaner, Keith Kalfas channel, the Window Cleanse, Window Cleaning Resource channel, the Fluff Daddy channel. People that are just really about this. Not people who are just inventing things and saying things to get you all scared and not even to step foot in the business. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to share this. This video is getting pretty long. I hope everybody has a great day. May God bless everyone's business out there. I declare God's favor and grace upon your business. And for those that don't know me, I am a believer in Jesus Christ. And me and my household, we believe in God. And we are people of faith. And, we declare that this year may be a prosperous year, a year of blessings, and that any obstacles will be removed in Jesus' mighty name. Be blessed, guys. I love you guys. And, oh, yeah, also check out Eric Bland's channel. Amazing channel. Motivational speaker. Amazing guy. Check him out. I'm gonna be putting the links in the description for you guys just to make it a little bit easier. But yeah, this is Manny from MRC Window Cleaning. Peace. Take care. God bless.